Hi, this is TechPal. This is HACCP foot thermometer, model number D-175 from TechPal. This is infrared thermometers. DS ratio is 2.5 to 1. With the stainless type measurement. Just push the scan and change the mode. The checking point is from 4 to 60 degrees C. During this range, it's not safety for foods. It means that it's very easy influence by bacteria. This unit is completely sealed with IP65. Using AAA battery, 2-piece inside. Measuring range is from minus 50 degrees C to 250 degrees C. Thank you for watching.